Hello everyone, Jervis here coming to you with another video. As you can see in front of me, we have Never Settle, which is OnePlus's branding, but they came out with two devices, so I have two to show you. Let's check them out. As I said, two devices this year. This is an 8, this is an 8 Pro, but here's the thing. They sent me two boxes, they look identical. I have no idea which one they sent me. I kind of wanted to do this on the fly with you to just kind of get my reaction. So obviously I Never Settle branding. I always dig their packaging for these review units just because like they do something different every year. This has got that kind of like shifting kind of thing going on. Let's see if I can like actually just get it out of here. Actually, maybe I'll see. Okay, it does have a pull tab. Let's just do that and then make our lives just a little bit easier if it will actually pull out. You know, let's always make it easy. Oh, there we go. Look at that. So you can see, oh yeah, nice stuff. OnePlus always making the unboxing experience fun and enjoyable for us. Just a black box this year. Usually they do kind of like a red and white thing, but nice to see a little difference. So let's just flip this up, see if anything falls out. No. Oh, okay. So this is the OnePlus 8, just a pure edition, as they said inside the show. So this is the reviewer guide that everybody gets who is reviewing the phone. I'll go through that maybe, but we have a lot to go through, so let's just get it all out of the way. This is the retail packaging, what should be the retail packaging for the OnePlus 8, not the 8 Pro. OnePlus branding there, OnePlus 8 branding there. I'll put it the right way. There we go. Android, you know, that's great. Oh, sweet. This one's actually the Interstellar Glow, the one that's super hard to photograph, so that should be fun. And they actually gave me for the OnePlus 8, this is the actual upgraded model. This is not the base model of the OnePlus 8. This is the 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage. It usually starts out at 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128, so that's pretty sweet. Let's see what else is inside the box. All right, this is actually one of those sandstone cases, but it's in a new color. So they usually just do a black sandstone, which I usually love. That's the ones I usually rock, but this is cyan, you know, kind of matching that teal color. Does it come through properly on the camera? Might have to adjust that later, but yeah, there's one of those. And what else is in the box here? All right, this is just their, what looks like their, nylon bumper case. So this is that kind of more heavy-duty nylon bumper case. Sweet. So, cases, reviewer's guide, and phone. Now let's dig into the other one. Okay, yes, this is the OnePlus 8 Pro. Just says 8 branding. So there's no Pro on the front, it still just shows the 8. Just like this guy over here, but let's see. All right, OnePlus branding, OnePlus 8 Pro. Okay, this is definitely the 8 Pro. Let's see what model they gave me here. Oh, this is the glacial green model, that new crazy color. So they gave me both crazy colors, very cool OnePlus. But this is the base model of the Pro. This is the 8 gigabyte 128 ROM, you know, storage version. Pretty cool, but I do like this new color, and it looks like they gave me more cases. So it looks like both phones get a case, so still that same new color cyan case for the Pro. And this one's a little different, so I don't get a nylon case. This is that carbon bumper. Okay, so now clean it all up, try to make it a little bit nicer for you, but standing the boxes up, I do see a little bit of a difference. The 8 regular, 8 Pure as they've called it, is a slightly smaller box than the 8 Pro. So which would I look at first? All right, let's go with Pure Edition first, but see if I can get this thing open. Oh, I didn't get a knife. All right, fine. Big kitchen knife time. There we go. Some good plastic noises in there, and let's see what we got in the box of the 8 Pro. Slide that over. Sorry, this is the 8 Pure, not 8 Pro. That's they kind of been confusing me with that. Okay, as always, we do have all red everything inside the box. I always do enjoy that. Their color of red is pretty good. Okay, so this is just again I believe, just like welcome. Oh, there's a zoom tool, came pop it out of there. And here is the safety info. Never settle. Are these stickers? Are they stickers? Yes, they are stickers. Awesome. Phones getting stickers in the box are always very cool. FCC stuff, okay. Invitation letter we'll take a look at in a second. But let's get into the phone. How about that? Pop this guy out of here. And there is the phone itself. Again, it's supposed to be a little bit of smaller device than the Pro, but we can still see, we kind of see that sheen coming out of there. And let's try it out. All right, there we go. Look at that. I can't even try to get a good picture of that. Let's see if I can point it up to my white cabinets, my white ceiling. Yeah, this color is really hard to get on camera, but it is quite beautiful. The only color I can kind of like pair it against is that crazy rainbow color, white color that they had the Note in, most recent Note in. That's kind of a similar thing, but yeah, we have our triple cameras here, our macro, regular, and our ultra wide angle. There we have our mute switch here, power button, volume rocker. Where is the SIM slot? All right, there we do have our SIM slot and our speaker down below. USB-C, of course, and we have our ear speaker up there, and there we do have that in-screen selfie camera, and it does have a installed screen protector on it as well. Put that down. What else we got in the box? Charging cable, of course, still red and white. Still not USB-C on both ends. Interesting. Warp charge in there. And there is our big bad boy Warp Charge 30T to top this guy off super fast. But let's pull the other phone out of the box. I will note that previous OnePlus models, except in the last like couple years, they did actually come with a silicone clear case for these, and I didn't see one in here. That's just neither here nor there, but we did get cases in our case, so we're gonna check that out too. But yeah, let's open up the 8 Pro. Put it down there and pull it off. And here we have the new phone in that green color. Let me just pull it out of here real quick. And we have a phone very similar to the 8, but the 8 is slightly skinnier and slightly shorter. This is a glossy back, and this has that kind of soft touch glass finish, which I actually really do enjoy. Same button positioning as all of the other phones. Same SIM card slot down there. But what you do see here is that extra color sensor, I think it's called, and time of flight sensors and your flash. So you do see that is slightly different. So like I said, this phone is a different phone to this phone. It's not just a bigger phone. This one has extra features. See what else is inside the box. All right, that's a little bit different than the other box. Let's pull this up. And oh, check that out. The Pro does come with that case I was talking about. Look at that. So that's one thing they did change from the 8 to the 8 Pro. They actually give you a case in the box. Extra features for everybody. Okay. And so this doesn't seem to have anything in it, does it? No? Oh, maybe, actually. All right, it does. So I'm guessing that these are still that same stickers and stuff. Yep, SIM card slot and stickers, just in a little bit of a different kind of thing. Okay. Still our charging cable and our Warp charger. That is all the same. They do have the same charger in the box, same charging cable. Okay, so there you have it. Both phones unboxed in front of you. We had 2 devices for OnePlus at one time this year. The 8 Pure, as they're calling it, and the 8 Pro. 2 different devices with actually similar specs, but not completely the similar specs. So I kind of want to go over that and compare them to last year's model as well, but that's a separate video. Subscribe and like down below if you want to see that. That's definitely coming, but they did send me some more stuff in the boxes here. This is that wireless charger that will work with the 8 Pro. It will not work with the 8 Pure because it does not actually have a wireless charging ring in there. Do you want to see cases? Let's check out some cases. Okay, so like, you know, years before, we've had sandstone, we've had the nylon, we've had the, you know, carbon fiber, but this is the first year for sandstone to have a different color. So this is kind of why I want to break these out and see what they kind of look like. Oh man, more tape. All right, maybe this will work. There we go. I know they have pull tabs, but I'm being a little lazy and a little crazy. So there we go. There it is out of the box. And yeah, it does feel like sandstone, just a different color. It is that color all the way through. There's no like other colors. So that is just how the plastic comes out of the mold. There we go. And here is the 8 Pro. As you can see, because the 8 Pro does have that those extra cameras, you actually do get like a extra put out. I'm not sure if I dig that look, especially, but you know what? This green does match that green. Let's get them on there. Obviously, these are first-party cases. They are going to fit really well. Oh, I didn't mention that both phones this time, the 7T had a flat screen. Both phones this time have a curved screen, so you know you don't have an option now. And there you have like volume rockers, everything's out there, but they did do a good job color matching the cases at least a little bit, so it doesn't look too crazy. We have a direct cutout for the silencer. Let's throw this guy in here. It's kind of sad to hide this color because they don't have a case that can obviously do that, but protection is key with phones these years. And there you go. Cutouts look good as you would expect on a first-party case, but yeah, it feels really good. It doesn't add much bulk at all for either of these guys, really. I'm a case guy. I use cases all the time. I use screen protectors all the time. So you might not, but I kind of dig these cases. So this is just, like I said, just been a quick look at the 8 Pro and the 8 Pure. Like I said, if you want to see more of these videos, which are definitely coming, subscribe, hit that like button, comment what you actually want to see, any tests you want to see, because I will be testing them against the old phones and any other phones I have that you want me to test against. But like I said, this has been Joey Riz, and see you later.